Hey guys, I thought we could do some monster math today because I printed out quite a few of these, I want to say a couple weeks ago, and you all have been enjoying doing them together so much that we're still doing them sometimes because you guys like these papers so much. So I thought we could do them online since some of you have to be at home for this week because of all the snow and just the ice on the roads. So let's do some monster math together. Let's see if I have a little marker that I can use. Ooh, I do have a pen. Awesome. I'm going to choose a color purple for this little monster. So, it wants us to count. Whoop, it wants us to count all the body parts of the monster and fill in the boxes with numbers. So, at first, it wants us to know how many eyes does this monster have. So, let's count them. One, two eyeballs. So, I'm going to make a two right here. Whoop. There we go. All right. What about the next one? It says, I have blank mouths. So let's see, how many mouths does he have? Oh, I just see one right here. Whoop, I gave him a little mustache. I see one mouth right there. So I'm just going to put a one. Boom. All right. And it wants to know how many teeth this monster has. So I see one, two, three teeth. I'm going to put a little three right there. Okay, ears. Now they're trying to trick us, I think, on this one, because I don't see any ears. Do you see any ears? So I'm just going to put a zero, because I don't see any ears. What about hands? How many hands do we have on here? I see one. Oh, I didn't circle that very well. Two. Two of them. So I'm going to go around and over for a two. And how many feet? So I'm not sure if this stuff on the bottom, if these are actually feet, but I don't think they are. I don't think these are feet. I think maybe it's just like the bottom of their body. So I'm going to put 0 feet on there because I don't think it has it. And there we go. Let me just clear this one off and we'll do another one. Okay, this one is green. And it wants us to start with the eyeballs again. So how many eyeballs do we have? We have one, two, three eyeballs. So I'm going to write a 3 in here. Boom, boom. Okay. How about mouths? How many mouths do we have on here? I see one little smile. So I'm going to put 1. And how about teeth? Don't see any teeth. So I'm going to put a 0. And ears. Do you guys see any ears? Nope, I don't. So I'm going to put a 0 on there. And hands. I see some hands. Do you see any hands? Let's see how many. 1, 2. 2 hands. So I'm going to make a 2 right here. Boom. And what about feet? No, I don't think there's any feet either. So I'm going to put a 0. Whoa, we did it again. All right, let's do one more monster. Let's see what color we have this time for another monster. We got a pink monster. Okay. For eyeballs, I'm only seeing one eyeball. How about you guys? Yep, I agree. There's just one right in the middle. It reminds me of a special monster named Mike Wazowski. Hopefully you guys have seen Monsters Inc. If not, add that to your list today of things that you're going to do on your snow time. All right, how about a mouth? I see one mouth. So I'm going to put a 1. I wonder if all of these are just going to be 1. That'd be kind of silly. All right, how about teeth? Oh, I see more than one. I see more than one tooth. So I see 1, 2, 2 tooth, 2 teeth. All right, so let's make a 2. Oh, that's kind of a sad 2. But, I think you know what that meant. Whoa. There we go. There's a 2. How about ears? Don't see any ears, but this little monster has some cute hair on top of their head. I'm going to put a 0 for ears because I don't see any. How about hands? I see 1 hand, 2 hands. If we want to make it tricky, I bet we could count the fingers here. Let's see if I can count these. They're kind of small. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers over here. let's see how many fingers over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers over here. So if I add those together, 4 and 4, let me count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you're counting with me at home. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 fingers. And we could even do that as a math problem, right? We could do 4 plus, see if I can write a plus. Boom. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That is a little bit tricky, which you will learn that when you get a little bit older, but some of you are actually wanting to do addition right now. So if you are one of my friends who is learning addition right now, check this out. 4 plus 4 equals 8, right? And we can figure that out by counting them, each of the fingers like we did. Or we could even do 4 and then count up from 4, right? Remember how we talked about that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 8. All right. That was a little bonus for you right there. Okay, how many feet do we have? 1, 2, 2 feet. Boom. We did it. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Awesome job, guys. Thank you for doing monster math with me. This was so much fun. And maybe we'll do some more a different day because I enjoyed this. Thank you for doing math with me today. And hopefully we'll see each other soon when the snow and ice clears up.